I am obsessed with this Webeauty high-speed hair drying brush. I'm going to do half of my hair with a regular blow dryer and then half of my hair with this and show you the difference. More body, and it's got a nice curled underlook, and look at this from the blow dryer. You can see like all these like broken ends. It's all frizzy up here. Just look at that versus that. It's so much gentler on your hair, and I love how it just gives me so much more body and shine, and it's not damaging at all like the blow dryer and the hairbrushes. And you can even style it and curl it under, so definitely recommend this product.